In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Passwords, Passkeys, and Data Services, and tap on Google Password Manager. Finally, to check a password, click on the chosen one and enter your screen lock. Then use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!